So let's talk about the elephant in the room. And I mean room in the metaphorical sense, obviously. I'm not in a room right now. Email just isn't quite performing like it used to, is it? Think about it. When was the last time you like legitimately went and checked your email? In fact, when was the last time you sent an email to somebody that you know? You don't. You just pull out your phone and send a text message. Right? And yet in business, we still think that email is the king. Now, that's not to say that email's dead, because it's not. In fact, email is still probably one of the most powerful systems that you can use, but there is a better way. So what I want to do is show you how you can optimize your existing funnel using a text message with Plus This. Check it out. The first thing you want to do after logging into Plus... Yeah, I know. First thing you're going to want to do after logging into Plus This is search for SMS. Now what you're going to see is two different options. The first option is SMS messages and the second one is SMS conversations. And you're going to use one or the other depending on what specifically you need out of this particular campaign. Now when you open up this feature, there's a ton of options on this page. You can ignore all of them except for the message. Everything else you will have already configured when you set up the integration with Twilio, so don't worry about anything else. Let's just go ahead and enter our message. Bing! And hit save. Now, once you hit save, it's going to show you a different page depending on which platform you're actually using. This one here is for Infusionsoft that you can see in front of you. So you just grab that link, drop it into Infusionsoft. No need to configure any of the URL parameters or any of that kind of mumbo jumbo. Just grab the link, drop it in. If you're in any other system, just follow the instructions that are right there on the page, drop that in, and you're good to go. Now that only took us about 4 minutes to do. So this is something you could implement in your business in the next 5 minutes. So figure out a spot in your funnel where you could insert a text message and go set this thing up in Plus This. Now, if you don't already have a Plus This account, you can start a 30-day free trial. You can do all this stuff for free. Watch the conversions increase in your business without having to spend a dime. So check it out. My name is Brett Martineau for Plus This. We'll catch you next time.